Good morning, everyone. And we will continue the class with the reading for understanding section. I hope कल AC train सभी लोगों ने कर लिया. आज हम लोग I think I have started the next one. Let me try to first share the screen. I have got some worksheets images from somebody, that is Anidya. I think she has sent me. And मैं देखती हूँ कोशिश करके do I am able to share the screen or not. Is it visible, students? The screen is visible. Anyone? Unmute yourself. Okay, Utsav Rathor, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
What is
ma'am.
what is on the screen right now?
Ma'am, page number. Ma'am, page
Okay,
number 109.
the book is appearing actually, है ना? The book is appearing, Utsav. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see.
दिख रहा है.
So we have to start this lake, and I have explained you about this, that lakes are a place, which used to be created just because of some natural disasters, and the sources of water could be any stream, rivers that pour into it, or and if not, if there is no any river and stream, then what the source of water will be? The underground वाटर, है ना. कभी कभी लेक्स छोटे होते हैं, कभी कभी इतने बड़े होते हैं कि उनका एक छोर से दूसरे छोर देखना भी
Ma'am, I have
पॉसिबल.
a problem.
और
Ma'am, I have a problem.
what is your problem?
Ma'am, please send me Unit 9 tenses. Unit 9 tenses of English grammar.
What is the chapter's name, beta? I'm asking the name of the chapter. What is the name of the
Unit
chapter?
9 tenses.
Tenses. Okay. Give me to the till today we all are busy in
Ma'am,
our own.
Unit 9 tenses.
Okay. See, till today I'm very much busy with the interview sessions of online admission. So I will do it within this week. मैं इस week के अंदर आपको भेज दूँगी. So don't worry. So here we got to know that Lake Superior in North America is the largest lake, है ना, that used to cover 82,000 square kilometers, and in one place it is 563 kilometers wide. यानी इतना बड़ा है ये कि इसके एक छोर को देखना, एक छोर से दूसरे छोर देखना, it's quite impossible.
Ma'am is connected. No.
Okay. So now we are going to do this exercise where we have to write T for true and F for the false statement. A lake is a land surrounded by water. Navya has raised her hand. What will be the answer, Navya? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
Is it true? Are you sure? अगर लेक होगा तो वाटर होगा ना बेटा, दैट इज सराउंडेड बाय वाटर. यहाँ क्या बोल रहा है? A lake is land surrounded by water.
No, ma'am, false.
That
False.
when a lake is very small, it is called a pond. It is true. This is true.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, unmute
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
हो वो अपने आसपास शांति रखो. Third one, Lake Superior is in South America. No, it is in North America. So it is again a false,
False.
means a false statement. Lakes
Yes,
are
ma'am.
also formed by water gushing out from underground springs. It is also a true statement. So make T.
True.
A natural lake is formed by a river. Again, it is true. Yes. होता है.
Ma'am,
Rivers. Yes, true. तो ये भी T ही होगा. First one is F, second is T, third is F, then T, T. ठीक है? Now tick the correct answers. Lakes are always very big, always very small, both big and small.
Both big and small.
Correct. So
Both big and small.
tick there. Both big and small. The water in lakes comes from rain, comes from river, comes from spring, may come from all the above. Yes, Ayush. अनम्यूट करो और आंसर बोलो.
मैम हमको एक प्रॉब्लम है.
बोलो आयुष, क्या हुआ? क्या प्रॉब्लम है तुम्हारा?
मैम हम A11 का नहीं लिखे हैं.
11 का नहीं लिखे हैं. किसका A11 नहीं लिखे हैं?
मैम AC ड्राइंग का.
हेल्प कर दूंगी आपको. ठीक है, मैं भेजूंगी. ओके. ना टिल नाउ अभी जो करवा रही हैं वो करो. अभी करो. ठीक है. वाटर इन लेक्स कम्स फ्रॉम रेन, कम्स फ्रॉम रिवर्स, कम्स फ्रॉम स्प्रिंग, may come from all the above. It comes.
We come from all of
One.
the
Ma'am,
Yes, it comes all of the above. ठीक है. Now next is when a lake is formed by building a
Ma'am, your
dam.
sound is not clear.
My voice is. आवाज नहीं आ रही? आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम लोगों को? सारे वीडियोस भी तुम लोगों ने ऑफ रखे हैं. मैं कैसे देखूं तुम लोगों को? सत्यम सिंह, सत्यम.
Ma'am, your sound is not clear.
I think today's network issues are happening too much. इस वजह से क्लास आज प्रॉपर हो नहीं पा रही है. ये अलग तमाशा. एक तो नेटवर्क की वजह से डिस्टर्ब, दूसरा तुम्हारे अनट्रेशन से. जिनके जिनके नाम है मैंने अभी बता दिया है. आयुष, अभी नंदिनी का आया है. अपने अपने -20 तुम लोग समझो कि तुम लोगों को मैंने -20 किया. साक्षी पढ़ो. साक्षी अनम्यूट किया है मैंने, तुमको पढ़ो.
Yes,
माल्या,
ma'am.
तो
Malia Tarif. The Tarif is found in Myanmar,
स्थापित
Thailand, Malaysia, and Sumrita is an excellent swimmer and
No, Sakshi, you were reading so much incorrect. ध्यान से देखो. It's Malian tapir. Tapir is found in Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, and Sumatra. It is an excellent swimmer and usually lives near a permanent supply of water. Destruction of its living place and hunting are the main threats to its survival. Next is snow leopard. The snow leopard lives in Himalayan mountain range. It is mysterious and rare, but because of its beautiful spotted coat, it has been hunted and has become endangered. Now, number 3 is Asiatic elephant. The Asiatic elephant is found in various parts of Southeast Asia. It has a strong trunk, which is its deal tool for eating. Some elephants have been known to live as long as for 60 years. The Asiatic elephant is endangered because of destruction of its living place. Next. Here we have to take the correct answer. The Asiatic elephant leaves. What is the question actually? The Asiatic elephant does not live long, is strong, is found in Southeast Asia. Correct answer will be is found in Southeast Asia. The best word to replace endanger as it is used in the passage is constant, natural, threatened, or massive. The correct answer will be threatened. Threatened. So tick mark, threatened. The main purpose of Arnav Kashyap, remove it Arnav Kashyap right now. Or I'm going to remove you. I'm not going to, मैं नहीं हटा रही हूँ इसको. मैं नहीं हटा रही हूँ. इसी तरह सर देखेंगे रिकॉर्डिंग आपका. अर्नब कश्यप आपका नाम के साथ सर देखेंगे. Just remove it right now. प्रिंसिपल सर देखेंगे देन आप सोचो मैं नहीं हटा रही इसको. मैं नहीं हटा रही. Got it? अब आप समझो. The main purpose of this information is to explain how long animals can live, show how humans care for animals, list the most popular animals in Asia, provide details about endangered animals. Correct answer will be provide details about endangered animals. Arnab Kashyap, अभी आपकी मदर को फोन करूंगी मैं तुरंत आफ्टर क्लास. डोंट वरी. तुरंत अभी आएंगे वो स्कूल. Match the following animals and the place where they live. Malian tapir, Myanmar. Match it from Myanmar. Asiatic elephant, parts of Southeast Asia. Snow leopard, Himalayan mountain range. Himalayan mountain range. Let me see where this boy is existing in the class. I'm removing you Arnav. और कल से आप क्लास मत आना. Actually मेरे क्लास में मत आना. Because I'm not going to allow you. जो भी करेंगे उनके साथ मैं यही करूंगी. Tell your parents mom is not allowing us. Then I will explain them why I am not allowing you. ठीक है? And don't give me the bullshit of examples that अपने आप हो जाता है. ये सब मत समझाना मुझको. Okay, students, we are going to do the next one. Now, what is in this? Find the antonyms of the following words. Am I correct? मैं correct page पे हूँ, अनिध्या, या मैं कुछ गलत जा रही हूँ? Am I on the correct page? This is the correct page. Anidya? Okay. So here we have to find out the, okay, temporary. What will be the,
Yes, ma'am, you are correct.
okay, what will be the opposite of temporary from box 1?
Permanent.
Correct. And then ugly. What is the opposite of ugly? Vanshika?
I'm beautiful.
Vanshika and Anidya, that's it. Let others have the answers opportunity. Okay, Vanshika, what should be the opposite of number? So the condition is that ये opposite तो obviously ugly है तो beautiful होगा, but ये जरूरी है कि जो paragraphs हैं उनमें से ही हो. ठीक है, ये उन्हीं में से हो. तो ugly paragraph 2 में देखो beautiful है अगर, then it will be the opposite of क्या वंशिका? paragraph 2 में है beautiful is mentioned. ये mentioned है. Endangered animals के second paragraph में देखो.
Yes.
Beautiful is mentioned. Beautiful is mentioned. Then note it down. Third one is weak. The opposite will be strong, I hope. I don't know what will happen today. All the time we are disconnected. All the time. The last and the most important passage, that is sushi. Endangered animals और sushi, ये जो दो है ना, ये एक्चुअली एग्जाम्स में, मोस्ट ऑफ द एग्जाम्स में यही पूछा ही जाता है, अगर बुक से अगर पूछा जाए तो, क्योंकि कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इज नॉट, आई थिंक इट्स नॉट कैन अश्योर दैट आपको बुक से ही आएगा, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन बाहर से भी आते हैं. तो सुशी, sushi is a symbolic of Japanese food. It is a combination of raw fish. It is a combination of raw fish, rice, and vinegar. The ingredients are basic but very healthy. There is nothing ordinary about the way the dish is cooked. ये क्या है? ये sushi जो है, ये जापान का एक भोजन है, ठीक है, जो बनाया जाता है बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल वे में, जिसमें यूज होता है क्या क्या? फिश, राइस, विनेगर. दीज आर द बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स, मतलब जिनसे वो बनता है, रॉ फिश, राइस एंड विनेगर. द इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर बेसिक बट वेरी हेल्दी. देयर इज नथिंग ऑर्डिनरी अबाउट द वे द डिश इज कुक्ड. It is so special that it has become a national dish. Sushi chefs have to complete a 5-year training period and spend, again, Shraddha, very good Shraddha, keep it on. Spend the first 2 years studying only the rice before being permitted to create a sushi dish. Sushi originated in Thailand, Laos, and North Borneo in about 500 BC. This technique soon traveled to Japan, where it has continued to grow in popularity. So basically, ये origin हुआ था थाईलैंड में, जो धीरे धीरे जापान पहुंचा और वहां बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया. Now, which is the most famous Japanese food? So sushi is, write down, sushi is, okay, anyone wants to give answer? Who wants to give answer? Anithya, you want to give answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead then.
Sushi is the most popular Japanese food.
Japanese, not Japanese. Take Japanese. Which is the most famous Japanese food? Sushi. S-U-S-H-I. Sushi is the most famous Japanese food. Now, what are the basic ingredients required for preparing sushi? See, what could be? It's raw fish, rice, and vinegar.
And vinegar.
Right now, the basic ingredients required for preparing sushi is raw fish, rice, and vinegar. Raw fish, rice, and vinegar. Raw fish, rice, and vinegar. Okay, now the sushi chef have to complete a training period of, who wants to answer except Anidya? Shayan, you want to give answer? Shayan, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, 5 years.
Correct. So make a tick mark on 5 years. Now choose the word closest in meaning to, what the hell, Shraddha? Shraddha, what she's doing? Okay. Shraddha, have you lost it? Shraddha, 20 marks doesn't matter for you. 40 marks का एग्जाम होता है, 20 marks मैटर नहीं करते तुम्हारे लिए. What were you supposed to do in the classroom? If you are so much intelligent कि आप खुद से कर सकते हो, then leave the class. आपको जरूरत नहीं है टीचर की, मे भी बाकियों को है. Okay, I'm leaving the class. I think today you all are not in the mood of studying. I'm ending the class.